Alright, I'm gonna just go ahead and verbalize the solution. This is today's LeetCode Daily sum of digits of string after convert. If you guys are liking the content you're watching, please do like, comment, and subscribe to show that you are interested. I spent a good 15 minutes typing out the solution and ran into several bugs. And looking back on the video, I feel like there were points where I just went for minutes without talking. So I feel like I'd do this concept or this problem more justice if I were to just explain it. The problem is you're given a string s consisting of lowercase English letters and an integer k. First, we want to convert s into an integer by replacing each letter with its position in the alphabet. So A would become 1, B would become 2, and Z would become 26, etc. Then transform the integer by replacing it with the sum of its digits. And we want to repeat this transform operation k times in total. So what is this replaced by the sum of the digits? It's, let's take a look at this example where we first convert zbax into its integer form. Z is 26, B is 2, A is 1, and then X is 24. And we just smush it all together. Our first transform, because we know K is 2, we want to do the transform operation twice. In the first iteration, we just sum all the integers, 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4, we get 17. Second transform operation, we do that again and we get 8. So hopefully the example kind of brings to light what this problem is expecting you to do. It's like two-pronged, right? First step is converting our actual word into the number form, and then our second step is converting that number form using the transform operation k times. To effectively build out the solution, I had to first come across this thing called ORD. What ORD does is convert any character that you type within the ORD clause into its ASCII equivalent. So in the case of car, we want to print ORD of maybe A. Let's go ahead and run that. It's meant to be in character quotes. We would be getting 90, 97 because it's in the 4, it prints out 4 times. But so to convert it to A being 1, B being 2, we just subtract 96. We're just scaling it down pretty much. And we're doing this for every character in the string that they gave, and we're concatenating it to num, which is of type string. So we're allowed to do this operation because it's a string type and not an integer type. Then we effectively make a new list called a string list, which is going to just hold the list version of num and every subsequent list iteration of a num or a number. Now we have out. Out is our output variable, or the one we're going to be returning. Initially, out is just going to be the integer version of whatever str list is. So we're just going to join together all the values of string list, and we're going to make it int. So initially, like in this example, int out would be 262124. So if k were to be 0, which actually it can't be, so I don't know why. I didn't really even need this step, but if k were to be 0, that would be our output. Then we go for I in range k. We make a new int list. An int list is just the integer conversion of every digit, 4-digit, in the string list. And once we have a list of integers, we can just call the sum function on this list of integers, and we can effectively equal it to out. We're not plus equaling it. We're not aggregating a sum. We're just maintaining what the current sum is. And our new str list would just become the string version of out and listed of that. You see how we use str list to find our int list, we use int list to find our out, and we're using this new output value or this new number after the transform operation to create our new str list, which goes back into the next iteration of this loop. And we repeat this k times, the transform operation k times, and we just return whatever out is. Hopefully this video was short but to the point and explained today's LeetCode daily. The fact that this isn't easy, it actually had you writing a lot of sub functions or sub methods to solve the problem. So I get how it could be a little little daunting for new programmers, but hopefully you were able to take something away from this video. And thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys next time.